Let's talk about how chemical reactions absorb or release energy. During all chemical reactions, thermal energy or heat is either released, making the surroundings feel warmer, like in the case of a burning fire, or thermal energy is absorbed, making the surroundings feel cooler, like when an ice cube melts. The term for chemical reactions that release energy to the surroundings and feel hot is exothermic reactions. So, for instance, when you use one of those instant hand warmers, the chemical reaction releases heat to the surroundings, making it feel warmer. The term that is used for reactions that absorb and store thermal energy is endothermic reaction. And these reactions make things feel colder, like an instant cold pack. You can create your own hot and cold packs by using exothermic and endothermic reactions. And if you were to do so, you would want to use the engineering design process. Scientists and engineers use their knowledge of thermal energy transfer and the engineering design process to create and improve designs that solve real-world problems. And the way they do so is by first creating an evaluation plan to figure out ways to know how well their different designs meet the criteria, the requirements and constraints or limitations that they have for their design. For example, in designing a thermal device, they might test how much heat is transferred, how safe it is to use, and how cost effective the materials are. So let's say you wanted to create your own hot or cold pack, and you wanted it to release the most amount of thermal energy or absorb the most amount of thermal energy and last a long time while being safe and cheap. You would use the engineering design process. So you'd start by asking questions and imagining ideas, and then you would start this circular part here, which is the real important part of the engineering design process. You would figure out what your design specifically needs to do. That's your criteria. And then the constraints of your design, limitations like cost, safety, or time. You would then plan your idea, build it, test it, and improve it. And then you would continue this iterative process of planning, creating, testing, and proving. And you would keep doing this over and over again until you got the best solution. Often, to get the best solution, to optimize a solution, engineers can combine the best parts of different ideas together to make one improved design. So for instance, after doing your testing over and over again, and you find that one design that you created heats quickly and another one lasts longer, then you can incorporate the elements of both designs, merge it together to create a longer lasting, faster heating design. And once you have your final design, then you share your idea, and that's the engineering design process. Thank you so much for watching this video.